Welcome to the September digital edition of Kitchen Garden magazine. Another great issue for you this month. We've got a lovely feature on figs by our fruit expert David Patch.
And we've also got a great feature on wildlife, encouraging wildlife into the garden. It may seem a bit strange encouraging wildlife into the garden, but there are actually a lot that can help your crops. There are a lot of predators that will eat all the pests. So it's a good thing to do. So we've got a feature on that. And we've also got a feature on green manures, and that is growing plants on your plot that you then dig into the soil, which actually improves the condition of your soil and helps your crops.
Yeah, we've got a great feature from Rob Smith on broccoli and different kinds and some of his favourite varieties. We've got a short feature on cut flowers, looking at cornflowers, a beautiful flower for the vase. And for our product review this month, we've been looking at harvested quitmans, particularly trugs. Quite a varied number there for us to look at.
Absolutely. And a lovely feature by Sally Cunningham, who writes on more exotic veg for us, on Malabar spinach. So I don't know if you've ever tried that, but it's a lovely plant which looks as good as it tastes and doesn't bolt in the heat. So do check it out.